Huanil, a small village under Zimri subdivision of Kohima district, is one such village which is seldom heard of. The village, comprising of 80 households, is largely dependent on agriculture. The main agricultural crops grown by the farmers of the village are paddy, maize, colocasia, chili, beans, tomato, squash, etc. And the horticultural crops like plum, pears, peach, wild fig, mango, banana, passion fruit, etc. The farming system is rain-fed, so most of the agricultural activities are done during the Kharif season. The village folks, both men and women, remain busy in their fields from April to October and stay idle during November to March. In this lean period, the main livelihood activity of the villagers is stone quarrying. To promote broiler poultry farming, Krishi Vigyan Kendra Kohima conducted a frontline demonstration on broiler poultry farming. 10 farm women were selected as beneficiaries for this demonstration. Before commencement, awareness and training programs were conducted for its rearing and management practices. After imparting the training program, KVK Kohima provided bank of 400-day-old chicks, veterinary medicines, weight balance, and started dose of ration as critical inputs. During the demonstration, vaccination against F1 strain of Runket disease was done on day 5 and body weight was taken once in 2 weeks till the birds attained the market weight. The poultry houses were cleaned regularly, feeds and water were provided to the birds at regular intervals, and time-to-time supervision was done for the success of the program. At the end of 45 days, the birds attained an average body weight of 2.1 kg and were sold at a rate of ₹140 per kg in a nearby bank with a net profit of ₹2,500 per beneficiary. Broiler farming is rewarding, and in this demonstration, 6 batches were sold in a year with an average net profit of ₹40,000 per batch. Thus, these 10 farm women have contributed approximately ₹240,000 to the village economy, besides meeting the nutritional requirement and enhancing the socio-economic status of the families. With this success, the farmers plan to increase the present stock strength and rope in more families into broiler poultry farming, as it is remunerative and provides employment opportunity.
Thirty or 4 to khilai dise, khila to Kenya dana, bole bhi retail bhi jabo pare se to 20 na point na kini ase na paisa
20,000 profit.